little scholars. In today's video, I am back with the revision of festivals. So, I am going to cover the video and topic of festivals which we celebrate in India. So, I want you all to listen to me carefully and enjoy this video. So, let us start. So, children, let us revise our GK topic festivals. You know, children, what is festival? Festivals are the special days of the year which are celebrated with great joy and happiness. You know, every festival has a reason or a story behind it. So now, let us start with the Holi. Do you know, children, why we celebrate Holi? It is celebrated because demon king Hiranyakashyap tried to burn his son Prahlad with the help of his sister Holika. But you know what happened? Prahlad was saved due to his devotion to Lord Vishnu. Holi is also known as Festival of Colors. It is celebrated all over the India with great joy. Now we will understand about Dashera. Dashera is a festival that is celebrated all over India in different ways. Story says that Lord Rama worshipped Durga Ma for 9 days, and on the 10th day he killed demon king Ravana. It is also tells us that good wins over evil. These 9 days are called Navratri. Garba or Dandiya is played for 9 days in Gujarat and Rajasthan. And on the 10th day, we celebrate Dashera. Now children will understand what is Diwali. Diwali is celebrated to mark the homecoming of Lord Rama with Sita Ma and Lakshmana at Ayodhya. After living for 14 years in forest, it is one of the biggest festival of India. It is also known as the festival of light. You know, children, Dhanteras is celebrated 2 days before Diwali. Markets and houses are decorated and lighted. Sweets and gifts are exchanged between families and friends. And the most interesting part for children is they burst firecrackers. Now we'll understand about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December as the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. Another interesting part of Christmas is Santa Claus. Some people believe that Santa visits home and leaves gifts for children. You know, children, a Christmas tree is decorated, gifts are placed under the Christmas tree. On Christmas, Mass is held in churches and it is held at the midnight. The churches are also beautifully decorated. So, this is Christmas. Now we will understand about Eid. Generally, Muslims celebrate Eid. They follow the Arabic calendar. Ramzan is the name of the month they celebrate and in their calendar. Eid is celebrated as the end of this month. It is celebrated on the day following the appearance of the new moon. An important part of Eid celebration is community prayer performed in an open place. So, this is about Eid. Now, we'll understand about Janmashtami. You know, children, what is Janmashtami and why we celebrate Janmashtami? Janmashtami is celebrated because it is the birthday of Lord Krishna. In India, there are different ways to celebrate this festival. And on Janmashtami, few people make lots of dishes and they worship Lord Krishna. Children, there is another festival, that is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated as the love of brother and sisters. You know what children do on this day? Sisters tie rakhis on their brother's wrist, and in return brothers give them gifts, and brother promise to take care of their sisters. Along with this, we have so many special days also. These are not special festivals, but still we celebrate these special days. For example, our birthdays, then Mother's Day, Father's Day, Children's Day, all these special days are also celebrated in different ways. And after that, now I'm going to tell you what is national festivals and why do we celebrate these national festivals. You know children, national festivals are the important days of our nation. Independence Day, that falls on 15th August, that is one of our national festival. You know children, 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day of India. In 1947, India got freedom from the British rule, and that is why we celebrate this day as our national festival. After that, we have Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. You know why we celebrate 26th January? On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India was introduced, and that is why this day became the most special day of our country. So, the special days of our country are called our national festivals. So, Independence Day and Republic Day, both are our national festivals. In school, we celebrate this day by conducting flag hosting, march past, and even cultural events. So, these are our national festivals. So, children, today we revise all our festivals, and I hope you liked today's video and you could revise along with me also. So, bye-bye for now. Take care.